Who am I? I'm the owner, and I do a little bit of everything, and I probably have the greatest lifestyle of anybody. Doing this, meeting new people. I'm Cecil Noble. I started this business, Artemis Acres, 30 years ago with my wife, and I was for 33 years an outfitter in the Swan and the Bob Marshall. I've lived in Montana for 81 years. I have 46 head of horses, and the majority of them are all born and raised here. Annually, here this summer, we'll have 3,000 people will come through. By the time they go out on their 1 hour, 2 hour ride, they come back, they fell in love with their horse, they trust the horse, and they just want to hug him and kiss him and take him home. Well, I have 80 acres of my own, and we have quite a few different trails, and we go through some meadows, and as we're going, we're gaining elevation. We'll gain is right at 2,000 feet of elevation, and you have views of the whole valley and looking down on Foy's Lake, the north end of Flathead Lake. It's very, very beautiful. And ended up in 7 foreign countries, seen all but 9 of the United States, and this is it. When you're born and raised in the mountains, I just couldn't stay away.